Hey there, thank you for joining me today. I am going to be doing a review on a fantastic platform called Membervio. My name is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and Membervio is just an amazing product. For one, if you want to create and sell courses or give them away on your sites or membership sites, but also for building courses as you would similarly do like on ClickBank. Now, as you know, ClickBank is a minimum $97 a month for the basic version, or almost $300 a month for the normal version. And for the small to medium-sized affiliate marketer, it's kind of a little bit out of reach to be able to keep up with payments like that, where Membervio it's just a one-time payment. So let's get into it a little bit. I'm sitting here in the members area of it here. There's a lot. This is a shared members area for the JVs, and so there's a lot of content in here that I don't want to mess too much with. But what I do have is a live or a demo video of how this works on my bonus page, which we shall go over to right now. Okay, so on my bonus page here, we're going to talk about this a little bit, Membervio. And by the way, Membervio, a product by Neil Napier and his business partner, Dragan Plishkovsky. Helps if I clean my glasses here. So it's a proven software that gives you complete freedom and control to monetize your knowledge. Okay, this launched on October 14th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And let's go through this a little bit. But before we do, to get to my bonus page here, please go ahead and click on the link beneath this video. If you're watching from YouTube, there should be a link that says, get my exclusive bonuses and Membervio here. And click that. It'll bring you to this page that we're on now. All right. And by the way, go ahead while you're here, while I'm thinking about it, go ahead and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the thumbs up, click the bell. Thank you very much. We're off to a fantastic start today. So I do have some bonuses, but gosh, they're certainly not as important as this magnificent program that we have. So I'm going to skip by those for the time being, and we'll come back to them. I want to talk about Membervio. What is it all about? There's a lot to discuss, but it was created in mind with the part-timer, the side hustler, from home type person, not necessarily a real techie, to be able to get in and work and put your courses in and create it. I've been through it a couple of times. I've been through the demo video, and it seems to be pretty smooth and workable for the average person. I consider myself, an average person. So this is an all-in-one cloud-based platform that lets you easily launch a membership website that showcases your knowledge and expertise, increases engagement, signs up paying members, and gets recurring payment with zero hassles and no tech skills required. So you can become an authority in any niche. You can build it the way that you want. You can mass import and export. You can customize your emails. It offers flexible plans and billing. Import, export your members. You have access to your member statistics. Secure your membership. Detailed reports and statistics, and seamless integration experience, which means PayPal, Stripe, ThriveCard, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Pay Kickstart, and others, as they continue to be added. And so let me briefly tell you about what you get from me today by picking this up through my page. And you can pick this up by clicking on any of these red banners, on my page here, and that will take you over to the actual Membervio site where you can go ahead and secure your copy of Membervio. So to start off with, bonus number 1 from me is called Lazy Traffic Sniper. Brand new solution for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. Solves 2 issues. 1, getting buyers, and 2, turning those buyers, into a profit. Bonus number 2, affiliate takeover. Drive more leads and sales from on-demand traffic. Bonus number 3 is YT Velocity. Unlock the set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. Bonus number 4 is YT Bucks. YT Bucks is an exhaustive training on how to create or improve your affiliate marketing business on YouTube as the starting point. Bonus number 5 is called the Super Shakedown. This is the inside secrets of the super affiliates with a series of master classes, business case studies, additional training that will help your clients unlock the code and break through to start earning serious money online. And of course, you have access to the vendor bonuses, from Membervio that they are offering when you pick up this product today. All right. And so, gosh, let me go over here. Like I said, there is a underneath my info here, there is a very clearly explained demo video. Come back to my page anytime to watch it. And but I guess I wouldn't be doing you any big favors if I didn't kind of show you how it is here. Like I said, this is a shared site here. Start with your smart memberships. You have your dashboard, your smart funnels, your smart memberships, your smart products, your smart mailers, and of course your support. The dashboard will take you to it kind of separates the page, and you have access to your sales, revenue, activity, and other important information. Okay. There are, your theme and page management, and all the content that you would set up on your page. You have your members management, where you can manage members, add members, import members, export members, and import, monitor. You have your email settings, you have your general settings, and you have your reports and stats similar to what you get on your dashboard, but a little bit more. You get a lot of visitor information and visitor by location, report by product. It's broken down as well as it can be. All right, so let's get into what this is going to cost you today. And there is a special that's going on for 1 day only. All right, and I'll talk to you about that in just a quick moment. So basically, there are 2 basic packages. On the front end is the Membervio Basic and the Membervio Elite. The Membervio Basic comes with 1 site, 5 products, all of the integrations, 1,000 customer capacity. All right, you get 1 theme, you get your built-in SMTP for your emails, your member import, export, detail reporting, no transaction percentage fees. The difference between that and the Elite is that instead of 1,000 customers, you have 5,000 customer, and you get 10 themes. Okay, but for 24 hours only, you can get the Member Elite $4 to $67. Don't hesitate on this. I don't think this is any type of sales pitch just to to get you to get it. Why should it be if they can get a little bit extra money for it? It's where you take an action quickly. You'll get that extra, all the extra products, all the extra themes and customer capacity for the basic price. Okay, there are a number of one-time offers. Membervio Unlimited for $97 per year, or one-time $197, which of course would be more economical. So that increased, one site up to 5 sites, unlimited customers, as opposed to the 1,000 or 5,000 unlimited themes, unlimited products. Get additional security, site cloning, and everything. No transaction fees, 24/7 support. And one thing in general, being I had mentioned this additional security, is that one of the greatest things with Membervio, as opposed to some other types of similar sites, is the security on there. On some platforms, people can go and actually download your videos because the pages are not secured. You have complete security when it comes to Membervio here. Okay, so OTO number 2 is the Membervio Insiders Club for $97 a year. Email marketing with all major autoresponders and email gateways, drag and drop email template builder, and rich text editor for your templates. SMS marketing along with SMS gateways integration and agency. OTO number 3 is 5 sites, 100,000 visitors per month, unlimited funnels, unlimited pages, free page importer for 12 months. Excuse me. OTO number 4 is called the Vital Membervio edition for a one-time $97. Just a whole lot here. I almost didn't include this because it takes up half of my whole membership page. But video creation, hosting, management, full agency access, high-speed hosting for up to 200 videos, import videos from YouTube, Vimeo, no API needed, screencast video, picture-in-picture recording mode, webcam video recording, 300 gigabyte of storage space, 500 gigabyte bandwidth, 30 video playlists, 30 video channels, creating and editing time codes, much more. Go through this, read through that. I wasn't my intention to make this a 15-minute review video. Okay, so satisfaction guarantee. Like I said, you got your demo video here.
In this demo, I want to give you an overview.
And click on any of the links on my page. It will take you over to the sales page. Let's see if I have a portion of it here. Yep. And you can click on Get Started with Membervio now, and it will take you through your checkout. And this uses the JVZoo checkout platform. So after you're finished with your secure checkout, you'll be taken to the JV page looking similar to this. You'll click on the green button to get your Membervio access, and you'll click on the blue button to get the bonuses that I had promised to give to you also. Now, one thing is that my bonuses are guaranteed, up until when this countdown timer stops. When the time runs out, the timer will actually disappear, and my bonuses, won't be, guaranteed anymore. I try to keep them on for a little bit longer, just in case, you want to come by late, to get it. But hey, once again, let me remind you, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the thumbs up, click the bell. All right, we're good to go. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for taking your time out to review my review of Membervio today. It has been a pleasure, and as always, to your success.